Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out these Poppets. So these are Fidget toys. It is a nice variety pack. So we got these to give away. So these are great for stress relieving for kids and adults. They come with this little chain so you can put it on a key ring or anywhere else. Many different colors. You got circles, you got hearts. So again, these are great for gag gift, Christmas stocking fillers, to give away. Overall, you guys can see, very nice collection.